Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I will show you how to use Afterpay to pay your bookings on the Expedia mobile app. Let's get started. First, open the Expedia app on your phone and make sure you are logged into your account. Search for a hotel, flight or package by entering your destination and travel date and then tap search. Now browse your options and tap on the one you want to book, tap select and then select room. After that, tap on select and customize. When you go to the payment screen, you will see several payment options like pay later or afterpay. Tap afterpay to select it as your payment method. You might be redirected to the Afterpay app or website to log in and confirm your payment plan. Follow the instruction in Afterpay to confirm your payment schedule. Once confirmed, you will be returned to the Expedia to finalize your booking. Tap Book Now or Complete Purchase. Your booking is now paid with Afterpay installment. You will get a confirmation email from Expedia and payment reminders from Afterpay. And that's it. You have just used Afterpay booking to your trip on the Expedia mobile app. That's all for today's video, guys. I hope you guys like this video. If you found this video helpful, drop a like, subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.